What happens if you get lost in the Amazon rainforest 300 years ago? You wake up deep in the Amazon. No roads, no people, just endless jungle. Day 1. You hear something massive moving in the bushes. Glowing eyes lock onto you, then vanish. Day 2. You find water, but strange fish with sharp teeth circle beneath the surface. Day 3. Bright, poisonous frogs crawl across your path. One wrong touch could end you. Day 4. Hunger forces you to hunt. You spot a wild animal watching you back. Day 5. A violent storm hits, and something slithers past you in the dark. Day 6. You're exhausted, but now you move quietly, like the jungle taught you. Day 7. You come face to face with a powerful predator, and you don't run. And then it hits you. You didn't just survive the jungle. You became part of it.